Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are taking a look at a very popular pair of Bluetooth over-ear headphones. These are the Bose QuietComfort. Enjoy! Right out of the box, the Bose QuietComfort come with all the essential accessories you would expect. This includes a practical hardshell case, a USB-C cable for charging, and yes, an aux cable, allowing you to use these headphones wired if you prefer. Nice. The headphones themselves feel great. They are incredibly lightweight, weighing in at around 210-215 grams, which is practically nothing. When it comes to comfort, these headphones truly live up to their name. Despite the seemingly compact ear cups, they are both spacious and soft, with just enough clamping strength to create a good seal without causing any uncomfortable pressure on your head. I have absolutely no problem wearing these for several hours at a time, but as always, if possible, I highly advise you to try them out yourself, since every set of ears and every head is unique. The build quality is good, but nothing spectacular. They are almost entirely made out of plastic, so I would handle them with care. The headphones fold neatly into a compact package and along with the hard case, fit effortlessly into almost any backpack. Perfect for travel. The only smaller option would be to opt for earbuds instead. At this point, I would also like to highlight the beautiful minimalist design of these headphones. They don't look out of place in any setting, and they are truly unobtrusive. Bose also offers a more expensive Ultra variant of these headphones, featuring touch controls and an overall better build quality. Today we are focusing solely on the standard or non-Ultra version. I chose the cheaper model because I have an aversion to touch controls. We have 4 buttons in total, making it easy and intuitive to adjust the volume, pause, skip tracks, and even control the noise cancellation. A switch on the right ear cup allows you to turn on and pair the headphones with one smooth motion. You can further personalize your headphones in the Bose Companion app. Here you will find a visual EQ among many other things. More on that later. These headphones have a realistic battery life of up to 24 hours, which is totally serviceable to get you through the weekend, if not the entire week. However, I must say there are other high-quality Bluetooth headphones out there that easily outcompete Bose in this area. Most noteworthy are the Sennheiser Momentum 4, with a jaw-dropping battery life of up to 60 hours. I've reviewed these headphones earlier this year if you're interested. Bose has a reputation for implementing excellent noise cancellation in their headphones, and the QuietComfort are no exception. The ANC works really well in everyday situations and comes highly recommended. The microphone quality is good enough for your calls. If you use the headphones with the included aux cable, there's an inline microphone as well. Another nice touch that is rare to come by these days. If you want to watch videos or movies, I'm happy to report that there is no noteworthy latency issues with the headphones' Bluetooth 5.1 connection. Now, on to the main event. How do they sound? If you're a fan of deep bass, you're in the right place. The QuietComfort come with a very punchy extra portion of bass right out of the box. This can be tweaked to your taste in the Companion app. In my case, I dialed the low end all the way down, and yet there was still a good emphasis on bass. The difference was that the mids and the high end cleared up substantially as a result. The second change I recommend is setting up a custom ANC profile that isn't as strong as the default option. This cleared up the sound just a bit more in my testing. Overall, I can highly recommend these headphones for EDM and pop music in particular. For rock or classical music, I wish there was a bit more spark on the top end, but that's just a minor nitpick. Most people will be very happy with the sound, just be open to the idea of playing with the EQ, as the standard profile is very bass heavy. As always, prices can vary a lot. I was able to pick up my pair for 215 euros. The MSRP, I believe, is much higher at 299, but I see them around everywhere for 250 or under, which I believe is a decent value proposition. They are by no means a bargain, but for a high quality pair of Bluetooth over-ear headphones, not a terrible price, especially for Bose standards. In summary, I highly recommend these headphones for anyone looking for a pair of reliable Bluetooth headphones with good sound quality, solid build quality, and effective active noise cancellation. They are perfect for anyone who wants something that performs really well in all categories across the board. For me, the biggest selling point and the reason I can see myself using these headphones for many years to come is the aforementioned comfort. These headphones are great for long listening sessions, an often overlooked benefit that is nonetheless very important. But that's it on my part. If you have any questions or simply want to share your opinion, please leave a comment below. Thank you all very much for watching and of course, have a wonderful day.